box over there. Whoops. Here it is. Do a quick look around, make sure none of the corners are stretched or dented. Just to check it. There's a bigger, like a larger size, but he opted for this one. So it's got the turning thing, and this side down. Want those little things down there. That there. Very simple, you know, just like any other microwave, I guess. Make sure it closes well, and it opens well. Closes nice. All right, got different face you can put on here. I was just told that this is written in French. This is arrêtez, stop. We're going to keep it with the English language. Just make sure you plug it into a proper outlet. A couple little things that are featured that I guess this thing has, and it's a child lock. So if you have a child in your household, this automatically by default will lock. One thing that they said about water, because water might not show that it's boiling, but it's actually might be already overheated and hot. So when you put something in it, you might get scalded because it doesn't boil, I guess. It doesn't boil like a typical boiling of water on your stove. So that's one thing you might want to just be careful of. It says here, okay, so you get power. All right. Now there's that feature. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the unlock button. 7, 9. Hold this for 3 seconds. It says unlock. Okay, so now we don't have that lock feature. I'm gonna go ahead and put the one would mean 1 minute. And it's on. Really can't tell what's going on. It's stuff moving around, but it's not like highly visible. Okay, when the light is dimmer outside of the microwave, you can actually see the light inside the microwave, and now you can see the cup in there. All right, so a minute goes by pretty fast. Pull it out. Okay, heated up pretty fast. The reason why also got this particular one, because we don't want a really big one. Okay, just a big full-size one also consumes more energy. This one's a 700 watt, so it's gonna be pretty low on energy. 700 watts is good. You're always just heating beverages, that's no big deal. Thank you for watching the video.